folks, we are coming to the Amtrak yard, the moment y'all been waiting for. Let's go see what's in the Amtrak yard, okay?
Welcome on board Amtrak San Joaquin's. This is train 710. This train's final destination is Bakersfield.
Okay, we're in the Amtrak yard, folks. That's everybody's favorite, the switcher right there. RIP to Mount Lassiter, RIP to those engine 146, the two F59 PHI, the switcher right there 590, 8309 is in the yard, 69 something on there, or 63. Alright, nothing in there. We got the Phase 779 right there. Another venture car set on that one. With the MPCU in the back. No, with the charger in the back, 2102. Oh, 2105 is on the venture cars. Okay. 2003, they're going to California Zephyr. Get ready to come out in a few minutes.
So I'm trying to find them.
Alright, and that's it. So that's it, folks. That's it.